Hey everyone, let's conquer the GH-600 exam by mastering Domain 4, troubleshooting. You ready?
So let's dive right in. How do you fix an agent that thinks it's right but acts totally wrong?
On the exam, vague criteria just won't cut it. You absolutely must use enforceable, system-gated checks instead.
Sure, passing CI is necessary, but it's not enough. You need definitive vulnerability resolution and strict scope matching.
Okay, so what exact evaluation signals actually run our diagnostics to ensure those strict criteria are met? Let's move on and see how this builds. We rely on automated scanners like CodeQL, Dependabot, and secret scanning.
Scanners give us hard quantitative numbers. Qualitative signals, though, measure human factors, like following team coding conventions.
Now, what's really interesting here is this core exam matrix. You've got to diagnose reasoning, tool, or context issues.
First up, if the agent's logic is just fundamentally flawed, or it hallucinates, that's a classic reasoning error.
Next, tool misuse. This happens at the execution layer when it picks the wrong tool or uses bad syntax. Finally, watch out for the hidden culprits: context drift, stale repo data, or just missing those crucial token permissions.
So how do we actually fix these? We use 3 sequential tuning steps: update instructions, adjust memory, fix tools.
Fixing reasoning errors means you absolutely have to refine instructions. Try adding concrete few-shot examples to the system prompt.
Quick exam trivia. Unused Copilot memory actually expires after exactly 28 days. This perfectly prevents any stale context. To fix context drift, stop the agent from loading the entire repository. You've got to scope that memory tightly.
If it misuses tools, clarify any ambiguous descriptions and strictly enforce least privileged token permissions.
And this brilliantly illustrates our golden rule. Always align evaluation with development intent, just like with human contributors.
So, will you hold your agents to the exact same strict standard as your human developers? Good luck studying!